Hello friends, today I'm going to show you one scenario. So while I'm going to drop the database. If you see here, plus if you see here, invalid object name object audit logs dot dbo dot audit logs. So I'm getting this error. Okay, so why I'm getting this error? It means okay. So sometimes while troubleshooting, we need to have knowledge on the existing server environment. This is my server. I know what I have done previously. What based on the errors, if you see here, so what do you others will think? Okay, yes, I think there are some objects. Okay, single user mode, anything, right? So this went into single user mode. Let's turn it into multi-user. Sorry, settings, where is the settings options? Okay, if you see, there are nothing tables like that. So I can delete the tables as all the tables. So I'm for table also. Okay, foreign key. Okay, we can delete this. Okay, let's go and delete the keys. So, okay, so I'm trying to delete the foreign key as well, but still I'm getting this error. Why I'm getting this error? Why? Because so I know what I have done to this server. Why? Because I have created a log of DDL changes. I have created trigger. Okay, what the trigger will do, whatever I will delete or create or alter, that will create a that all the changes will get recorded into that folder. Okay, so that's the reason. So I have deleted that database. Okay, so now the trigger will trying to do. Okay, will trying to do those changes into that database. Okay, but that object that I have drawn that database I have already deleted. Okay, so that's the reason it is saying invalid error. To remove this error, go to server objects, go to triggers. So object DDL trigger is there. So right click on this script to be on safe side. Okay, and delete it here. Okay, now refresh the instance, go to database and try to delete it. You can see you can have deleted the database successfully, which you are unable to do with the error called invalid object name. So my like the main point is sometimes while troubleshooting, it is also not we need to have an idea. So what we have done on the server, what are the changes that we have done previously. So this kind of information if we have in the change documentation, so that will help us to troubleshoot the issues sometimes. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.